Modal verb can. Where to use, how to write, examples. Introduction to can. Can is a modal verb. Can is used for expressing an ability, permission, or a general truth. Used as both in active voice and passive voice statements. Example: I can speak English. A bird can fly. A fish cannot run. Where to use can. To express an ability. She can speak English fluently. I can help you. Regarding a permission. Can a student use calculator for the exam? You cannot park here. General truth. Sun can burn anything. How to use can. Subject, modal verb, verb in present, rest of the sentence. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Can. Any plural? Can. Any singular? Can. Verb in present, rest of the sentence. This is the common format for creating sentence with modal verb can. Can. Active voice. How to write as affirmative statement. Subject can. Verb in present, rest of the sentence. I can play guitar. You can play guitar. We can play guitar. They can play guitar. He can play guitar. She can play guitar. It can play guitar. Can. Active voice. How to write as negative statement. Subject can. Not. Verb in present, rest of the sentence. I can't play guitar. You can't play guitar. We can't play guitar. They can't play guitar. He can't play guitar. She can't play guitar. It can't play guitar. Can. Active voice. How to write as question. Can. Subject. Verb in present. Rest of the sentence. Can I play guitar? Can you play guitar? Can we play guitar? Can they play guitar? Can he play guitar? Can she play guitar? Can it play guitar? Can. Active voice. How to write as negative question. Can. Subject. Not. Verb in present. Rest of the sentence. Can't I play guitar? Can't you play guitar? Can't we play guitar? Can't they play guitar? Can't he play guitar? Can't she play guitar? Can't it play guitar? Can. Active voice. How to write as question tag. Subject can. Verb in present. Rest of the sentence and tag. I can play guitar. Can't I? You can play guitar. Can't you? We can play guitar. Can't we? They can play guitar. Can't they? He can play guitar. Can't he? She can play guitar. Can't she? It can play guitar. Can't it? Can. Active voice. How to write as negative question tag. Subject can. Not. Verb in present. Rest of the sentence and tag. I can't play guitar. Can I? You can't play guitar. Can you? We can't play guitar. Can we? They can't play guitar. Can they? He can't play guitar. Can he? She can't play guitar. Can she? It can't play guitar. Can it? Can. Active voice. Exercise. Write below sentence in 6 forms. I can swim. Subscribe and comment your answers. Thank you.